Hello guys, welcome to Tiny Tutorials. Today's topic is camel. We all know that camel is called the ship of the desert. But do you know why it is called? And why they use camel and how the camel can survive in the desert for long? To know all of this, stay in the video and don't forget to like and subscribe. The first topic that we are going to be talking about is the camel's neck. We all know that camel has a very long neck, but do you know its purpose? The camel has a long neck because it can store water there. As the desert is very hot and dry, we cannot search for water every 1 meter. So, the camel has very long neck that can store water for weeks. The camel uses very little water at a time, and moreover the camel doesn't sweat. We sweat to maintain our body temperature and keep it cool, but camel can withstand high body temperature, so it doesn't need to sweat and saves more water. Second topic that we are going to be talking about are camels' legs. We all know that camels have very long legs, but how many of you know why the legs are so long? The hooves of the camel can sustain very high heat. As the sand is very hot, the camel's body is too high above the ground, so it won't feel any heat and it can walk easily and travel far distances without getting any tension or pressure of heat. So camels can be used to ride in the deserts. That's why they are known as ship of the desert. Many of you have looked into a camel's mouth. I can bet that many of you did not, but if you do, you can see that there are many growing things in the camel's mouth. These are made up of the same particles that our nails are made up of. And you all know how tough our nails are. The camel need these tough particles to chew succulent plants. Because these cactus and acacia have lot of thorns in them, the camel will get choked if the thorn is stuck. These particles help to push the thorns without attacking the camel's neck and easily get digested, providing food and energy to the camel. Who knew that camels would be so special? We all thought that just camels are some animal that we use to ride in the deserts, but no, they are very special. Next topic that we are going to be talking about are camel's eyelashes. We all have eyelashes for our looks, but who knew that camel's eyelashes have a very secret purpose in the well-being of a camel? We all know that in deserts, sandstorms and dust storms occur usually, but as camels don't have fingers like us to take off the dirt and sand from their eyes, these eyelashes are so thick that they do not allow anything to go inside the eye. So, it is a protective mechanism in camels. I want to tell you one more important point about camel. Camels are not just used for traveling in the desert, they are also used to get fabrics. Yes, you are right. There are few camels that give us wool. These kind of camels are very special as they can even withstand very high body temperatures than the camel you see in the photo. Some examples of such camels are the Bactrian camel. This camel is very famous because it provides a wool which is very nice and comfortable to wear. So, I hope you liked the video. Please like and subscribe.